Hey up pond lovers. So yeah, a few of you already know I'm not working on the pond for a couple of weeks because I'm in the lovely land of Cornwall working for a couple of weeks, but I've started the video here because I just wanted to show you guys where I'm staying really quick. But this is absolutely amazing. All you pond lovers out there would love this, but this is all natural, no pumps included. Check this out. So we're staying in this converted stables here as an Airbnb, and it's absolutely massive. But the front garden we've got here has this absolutely lovely little stream and waterfall. My colleague's just coming round the corner now, but absolutely gorgeous little stream. But let me spin you around. So now he's driven past me, turn round, we've got lovely little bridge and waterfall over on this side. Absolutely gorgeous, and that little river goes on for miles. And then my big old work van that I'm driving currently at the minute, but I've just been and dipped my feet in the river to clean my work boots because they got a bit muddy today. I'm working on a building site at the minute, putting up a new house, but this is absolutely beautiful. And it goes right round the corner. I've had a good explore. It's yeah, absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? And just the noise, you can actually hear the noise of the rivers and streams, whatever you want to call them, from the bedrooms. So last night, sleeping away was the first night here, and just listening to this lovely noise all night. I hope you guys can hear it on camera. It's absolutely so beautiful. Unlike the flat old Peterborough, but we're right in the middle of a valley, and it's just gorgeous. It really is. And around the back here, got some chickens. This is a working farm on the other side of it. It's yeah, just absolutely beautiful. So yeah, if anyone wants to know the details of where this is on Airbnb, if you fancy a holiday in Cornwall, let me know. It's very close to Bodbin, or we're in Bodbin somewhere, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. So on that note, I'll snap back to you when I'm at home doing the next bit of the little pond. Catch you in a bizzle. Hey up pond lovers, so yeah, back home. What an amazing place we stayed there in Cornwall. It really was a beautiful place, beautiful part of the country. Work's finished. Good news about work up there, discuss that in a bit. But yeah, come home, fish are doing great, just topping the pond up. I didn't have the trickle in set high enough. Lawn needs a mow, where I reseeded it all. That's pretty much all grown back now. Everything was absolutely fine while I was away for a couple of weeks. That's good news. It's absolutely peeing it down with rain out there, so we won't be doing much videoing out there. But again, as you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, let me kick my outdoor Crocs off and put my indoor Crocs on. Yeah, as you saw by the title of this video, I've had some new deliveries. Let me put you on a tripod and we will have a look at what I've got. So yeah, as it's raining, we'll do it inside. As you can see, got a few little boxes on the top and I've got a big box at the bottom. We got myself a pool heat pump, and that is all thanks to my new contract, which is why I've been down in Cornwall. Done a few jobs for them so far, and there's plenty more work to come. And it's going to turn Jamie from a very, very, very poor person to someone that's got a little bit of spare cash. So quite chuffed about that, to be honest. A lot of work coming my way, put it that way. Anyway, before we have a look at this, I'm going to do a full unboxing and we'll have a good look at the air source heat pump that I've bought. But first, I want to show you guys these. Now, I've been sent these by a lovely person. I'll put a link in the description for the website. I think there's a discount code as well for anybody that actually wants one. But what we've got here is a magnetic charging and data cable. Now, these are going to be ideal for me when out and about videoing for you guys using my power banks that I use. I've got two different types, a USB-A to USB-C and a USB-C to a USB-C. So people that have got the new modern laptops, they only generally have USB-C ports. I don't have one of them. Let me get some of these out of the box and we'll have a look at them. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. I took one with me to Cornwall. I'm actually quite impressed. Very, very good. Let's have a look. Yeah, got loads more stuff growing for down the allotment, but we're here to have a look at these. So here they are. I'm going to get them out of the box and show you what they're like to start off with. Now, we've all got that pile of cables at home that are all twisted and mangled and horrible. And if you look, I've got two boxes there, only holding the top box, but the bottom box was stuck to it. And that is because these charging cables, as it says on the box, are magnetic. They've got two different lengths. Got a 1 metre cable and a 1.5 metre cable. Now, these are super fast charging. I was quite impressed. They actually outperform the cable that came with Samsung. But what I like about these cables is we've all got that tangled up mess, you know, behind our sofa or whatever, where you've got phone chargers, laptop chargers and everything else, and they always get tangled up. Well, with these, I don't know how well that's going to come out on camera, but you can see that. So they untangle, or not untangle, unravel, and then they're just a normal, quite flexible. They are a strong material. It's like that woven, don't know if you can see that, but they are a strong sort of woven material. Very thick, good weight cable as well, but that's probably because it's got magnets in it. But when you put one of these cables down, even literally, it's going to get stuck to all the other cables because they're magnetic, but you put the cable down and it literally starts twisting up on itself. And it all sticks together, and all you have to do, give it a tap and it stops being tangled. So if you literally dropped it from a height, it no longer tangles up. But because it's all just magnetic, it's ideal for me filming the videos for you guys, because you can twist it up relatively small, which is ideal to stick in your pocket when you're out and about, ready for when you need your power bank. Right. That is pretty nifty. And when you're charging from phone to power bank, you ain't got all big long dangly cables, because it does stay quite well together. I mean, they're not uber strong magnets, but they're strong enough to support the weight of themselves. And if you need a bit more, you just keep pulling it out. Well, I need that much, that'll do. And again, you don't get any dangly cables or anything. So yeah, really quite impressed with them. Stop the big old messes behind your sofa, wouldn't it? So that is the USB-A to USB-C. So for most new modern mobile phones, as long as it's not an iPhone. And there's the other one. So that one, as you can see, is a USB-C to USB-C. They're both USB-C to USB-C, so good to link between your phone and your computer. Again, exactly the same principle, all magnetic. This one's a nice silvery grey one, but they just fall back together. I love it. This one's a metre cable. The other one I showed you was a 1.5 metre cable. Look at that. Great stuff. Why am I showing you these? One, because I've just been sent them and was asked to review them. Well, I've been using them, as I say, on holiday for a couple of weeks, and I really like it. But they have sent me a couple of extra cables, which I don't need that many cables. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to do a giveaway. So this one is, this one's a C to C, as you can see by the picture. This one is black, like the first one I showed you, and this is a long 1.5 metre cable. This one is the standard USB-A to USB-C. Again, unfortunately, if those of you that are watching, if you've only got iPhones, I do apologise, because obviously these are not going to be suitable for iPhones. This one again is black, and this one is also a 1.5 metre cable. So 2 cables. Now the only thing that I can be negative about these, and that's only a very small thing, but then you pay for what you get, is the price. Because these are not cheap cables. They retail for around £21, I think, for the longer one, which are these two. I think it's ever so slightly cheaper for the smaller one. But yeah, they retail at about 20 quid. But from what I found out so far, this got chucked in my rucksack every day. Went to work with me on a building site, came home, still looks brand new. You know, it's not frayed, it's not broken, and it charges your phone very, very fast. Very impressed. So yeah, that's the only ever so slight thing. I do think they are expensive, but they are very, very good cables. So as I say, there's a link in the description so you can have a look at their website. Got a discount code for you all as well. On top of that, as I say, these two are going to be given away. So if you would like the USB-C to USB-C cable, then in the comments below write CC in capital letters so I can see it nice and easily, please. So yeah, after you comment, add CC, or before you comment, add CC, either or, and then you'll be entered into a chance to win a CC cable that's black and 1.5 meters in length. Is the box open? It is, yeah, just to show you that. This is the cable you will receive. C to C, 1.5 meters in length, magnetic charging cable. There's that one. And if you would like to win the standard USB-A to USB-C cable, is this box open? No, I've not even opened this one. As you can see, they are all brand new. I don't even need the USB-C to C because I don't have anything that runs it. So it is brand new. I just opened the box for demonstration purposes and didn't open this one. So in this one, as I say, we have the USB-A, standard USB to USB-C, good strong magnetic fast charging and data cable. So for those of you YouTubers out there that need to upload your stuff from your phone to your computer, if you do your editing that way, ideal both of these. And if you've got a modern computer that only has USB-C ports, then you can have that one. But I'm pretty sure most people are going to go for that one. So if you want a better chance of winning, go for that one. If you want both, put AC at the end or at the beginning of one of your comments and CC. If you just want one or the other, just put AC or CC. Now that's done. As I say, if you have caught this video after the draw, apologies, but as I say, the link will stay in the description. If you want to just go out and buy one, again, the link is in the description. But let's have a look now at the important things. I've got myself a new heat pump. Let me get you on the floor. Let's get this thing unboxed and have a look. I ain't even got it out of the box myself yet. Here it is. I've just removed the sellotape and folded over my address. But this is a Thermotec air source heat pump. So this is for the grow on. We'll get that out of the way. Let's have a look. They recommend that it's suitable for ponds up to 10,000 litres, or pools up to 10,000 litres. So my little grow on is anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 litres. Don't know what that is. We'll put that to one side for a minute. Get a little polystyrene off. Let's have a look very briefly at the instructions, just so we can tell you guys a little bit about it. It looks pretty smart so far. I'll get them off. We've got a packing list on the instructions, that's always handy. So yeah, this is the Thermotec Mini swimming pool heat pump, and this is the installation and instruction manual. A lot of information there. We don't need that. What I do want though is to check that the packaging list is all there. So installation manual check, Teflon tape. Yeah, we got that. That's there. What else? Hose clamps. Yeah, we've got the clamps. Barrel unions, we've got them. And rubber support, we've got all them. I'm guessing that's the feet. Lovely jubbly. So checklist complete. Oh, we've got 4 of them, 2 of them. Yeah, we've got everything. Lovely. So, where's the front? Where's the back? Not sure. Let's have a look. So, it's quite a heavy unit. So there's the fan. So that's going to be the front of the unit, I guess, facing outwards. This side is your water in and out, and it's quite clearly labelled. So water outlet, water inlet. That's handy. Saves me having to look that up. Obviously the white clips we saw over there. Let's get them out. So yeah, hose towel connectors on there. That obviously just screws in there, and then you've got 2 different hose towel sizes. So if you need the bigger one, chop off the smaller one, etc, etc. But might see if I can get that onto hard pipe. Would be more ideal. But I might have to take a trip to Japan Koi Import, see if he's got something that will fit in there for me. So on the other side, you've got your grills and your mesh, and then on this side you've got your display and just your display. It's got 2 little carry handles, which is ideal because this thing is actually a hell of a lot heavier than I was expecting it to be for such a small unit. But yeah, that's what I've got to play with. So I've got to work out how on earth I'm going to be plumbing this thing in and where I'm going to fit it, because I've not got an awful lot of room. So yeah, that's the Thermotec heat pump. Where did I throw them instructions? Down here. So yeah, I'll leave them with that because you never know. I may well need them. Who knows? But I'm looking forward to plumbing that in. That's going to be a very soon up and coming video. As I say, I've got a lot more work on at the minute. Good for my bank account. Not so good, unfortunately, for getting YouTube videos out. So I don't know when I'm going to be getting it fitted. I've still got the copings to do on the pond and get this plumbed in. Obviously, I'll get the pipe work done at the same time I do this. So there'll be 2 more pond build videos. Then get some fish in it, basically. We'll see. So yeah, when I do get some time off, I'll get the copings on, I'll get the pipe work all finished, and we'll get some fish in there. Also, just really quick, guys, some of you have probably already found it. I know a couple of you have, but my Bonsai channel has actually now been up and running for about a month. 4 or 5 videos out on that already. Now they are just videos that used to be on this channel for the first few weeks, but I've recorded loads of extra content as well for the old Bonsai channel. So if you are interested in bonsai, get over and check it out, and I'll put one of the videos up there. So on that note, guys, thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we will catch you all on the next one.